Machiegni kendo maloyo mieche 700 mawuok e sub-counties mar Ongai, Kuresoi North kod Kuresoi South e county ma Nakuru otud kod sitima kokalo chenro mar Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation kata REREC. Kolose kinde yango chenro no, jatend Migao mar teko Pio Wandai owacho ni nyaka sani atamalo 70 mag mieche osetud kod sitima kendo ging'iyo mar chopo atamalo 100 kachop higa 2030. Jodak mag gwenge gi orwako chenro no ka giwacho ni dhi konyo e jiwo weche mag somo, ohala kendo duoko chien weche mag njore.
Tunasign MOU na county governments kwa ile tunaita matching fund, a shilling for a shilling, so that we can get more money to do more projects. Tunafanya pia matching funds na members of parliament ili pia watupatie a shilling for a shilling, ndio tuweze kufanya project nyingi kabisa. Ndio wakati serikali kuu inatoa pesa ya projects, tunasaidiana pia na wabunge wenu ili kufanya project.
As we speak, the average connectivity is 75%. But that does not mean that it is 75% across board. And therefore you find in some places it is still as low as less than 10%. And that's why we are committed as a ministry and through REREC to ensure that we upscale the rural electrification to reach as many households as possible. As a matter of fact, we want that by the year 2030, every single household would have been connected to electricity. And that is the commitment that His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, has made